Guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be doing a review of the 360 full protection case for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. So guys, you can also find this cover for Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi 5 and the Redmi 5 Plus. So these companies offer this cover for many different smartphones, including some flagship like S8 or S9. So you can find it for almost all kinds of smartphone. So the name of this company is GKK. So there are so many websites offering this cover. The price range is between $5 to $10 depending on shipping and tax. So I paid well over $10 for this case. It was a little bit expensive. I live in Middle East, so the shipping was a little bit expensive, and I'm going to link down some of the websites which are offering this case for cheap. This one is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, and as you can see, it comes in very simple packaging. And just to let you guys know, it also comes in this red box. I don't know if it was provided by the shipping company. So it's called the 360 full protection case. I bought the red and black version because it looks very nice, because the back is matte black, and if you're having a black smartphone, it will look definitely very nice. So guys, as you can see, it also have instruction inside. In order to open the cover, it's very simple. It clicks into place and you can simply just pull it out for both sides. So it's a 3-piece cover. So as you can see, here are the instructions. They are also written in English and Chinese, and it also tell you how to remove your smartphone, because it's a little bit tricky to take your smartphone off from the case. So guys, let's put the smartphone inside. It's very simple actually. It's not very hard. First you have to put the right portion. Make sure it lines with the cameras. I have to say cameras because there are dual camera on this smartphone. And just clicks in, and then you can try any of the part. Just simply put it inside from one side and then just click it in, and same for the other part. Just simply clicks in, and like this and like this. So as you can see, here is the case on the smartphone. So of course the camera bump, this case protects the camera by a very small little bump, the case bump right here. So it will protect your cameras, your dual cameras, and it will protect them from scratching or dropping. So it is very nice. And the good thing is the smartphone doesn't flop when you're typing or while on the table. And overall the build of the case is very nice. All of the holes are aligned very nicely. As you guys could see from the camera, these two portion of the covers are a little bit upper, raised up. So when you put your smartphone like this on the table, your screen doesn't get scratched up. So of course the screen of this smartphone is very nice, so you won't have the problem of scratching. And as you can see, the upper part from right here, there are two holes. It's for the sensor of the smartphone. So it looks kind of like dual cameras, but it's for the sensors. And everything is aligned very nicely. I have no problem while using the cover, and it's not very thick, and it does protect your smartphone a lot, because almost all sides of your smartphone is protected, so you won't have a problem. But I will recommend putting a screen protector, so to make it 100% good. And as you can see, using the volume key, everything is very nice. I'm having no problems. So guys, let me show you how to remove the smartphone from this case. It's also very easy. First you need to put your fingernails over here. I would recommend you guys use some type of other thing if you have long nails, because your nails could get broken or clipped off. So first you have to put your fingernail right here and just remove the upper part. It's very easy. It's not very hard, which is very nice. And same for this side. It's very easy. It may require 2 or 3 tries, because the down part is a little bit hard as compared to the upper part. There you go. So guys, there are many color choices on this cover. You can buy like gold and white and so many other different colors. And if you're having a white or a black smartphone, they are definitely going to cover the original paint of the smartphone. So if you don't like the original color of your smartphone, you can put this case on, and it will definitely change the look of your smartphone, and your smartphone will look different. So it's a very nice case for $5 to $10. Everything is very good. The holes are aligned very nice, and it will protect your smartphone very good, because it has soft material on these sides to make sure it's not hard plastic, so it will get crack up. The back part is made out of plastic, the hard plastic, but the sides are made out of soft plastic. They're soft from outside and hard from inside to protect your smartphone. And the good thing, and I love the thing about this cover, is it doesn't get fingerprints. And of course the grip on the smartphone is very good. When you're holding it, you don't feel this smartphone is going to go down from your hand. The grip is very good, and it's much better than the cover that is found on the in the box. Of course it's nice, it's free, but this case is definitely very good if you want to use a smartphone for more than a year or two and you don't want your screen to crack up or anything like that. It's a very nice case to buy. I will definitely recommend you guys put a screen protector on this smartphone. I don't know if this cover is going to support screen protector, because as you can see there's not much room up here or here, but I will definitely let you guys know, because I've ordered a screen protector and it's going to come soon. So guys, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.